I am glad to be of service. I wish you the best of luck with your case, messieurs. Greeting, messieurs and mademoiselles. I'm just salutations, viewers. My name is Game Dame, and welcome back to Aviary Attorney. Right now, we are at a chocolate factory, and we are trying to find out more about this chocolate that we found in this urn and at the museum. So now we're talking to this elephant guy, whose voice I have not quite figured out just yet, but we'll go along with it. We'll just go along. So, fucking, you have to help me. What is it? It's the smell, fucking. It's overpowering me. It's demanding that I lay waste to the shop. For pity's sake, restrain yourself, son. Oh, but I'm rambling, aren't I? If so, are you messieurs here to buy some chocolate? Yeah, yes. No, we are actually here on business, monsieur. Business? First things first, we believe that this chocolate wrapper originated from your shop. Are we correct? Ah, yes, that is indeed the trademark Hagelslag wrapper for genuine Belgian Hagelslag chocolate. This was almost certainly bought from this very establishment. Very good, with that established, there is something else we wish to ask Monsieur Hagelslag. Can you tell us you bought the chocolate that was contained in this wrapper, Monsieur Hagelslag? I'm afraid not, messieurs. Not just because of matters of confidentiality, although that is factor, you understand, but because I couldn't possibly know. I thought elephants never forget. My memory is impeccable, monsieur, but you must understand that I have dozens of customers a day. There are hundreds of people who could have potentially bought this particular item. So your memory is good, but you need further information. If we were to give you a description of the name of a person, would you be able to tell us whether they purchased something for you? Oh, yes, that I could probably do, monsieur. Let me think. Who to ask about? Definitely not these guys. Let's try this one. Have you ever served Juan Quieto, the Prince of Spain? A Prince of Spain, no, monsieur. Well, that's good to hear. A clue would have turned into a dead end if our own client turned out to be a chocolate fiend. I did once serve a princess from Mali, if that's any help. You see, I met a girl while hiking through the Himalayas. Please stop. Let me think who to ask about. I definitely think we're missing someone here. A swan, maybe. Have you ever served a flower-selling swan named Catherine Marie Sins? No, monsieur. What are you thinking, Falcon? I'm not sure, to be perfectly honest. If she were a chocolate fiend, then our investigation would have become much simpler. But since she's not, let me think who to ask about. Not Piero. I want to do Judge Romulus. Have you ever served a hairy wolf in judicial robes named Judge Romulus? Yes, monsieur. Alright, have you ever served... Wait, did you say yes? Yes, monsieur, a wolf in judicial robes. I did serve a person like that a little while ago, on the 6th of January to be precise. Did he say anything suspicious? No, not that I recall, monsieur. He was a pleasant fellow, big toothy grin. Bought 200 grams of classic dark Belgian chocolate with a custom feeling. A custom feeling? Some type of caramel he provided himself, although he unfortunately did not bring enough for me to sample. What does this mean, Falcon? Well, we shouldn't make assumptions. It may just mean that this judge liked to eat chocolate. But if the judge's purchase is related to the wrapper at the crime scene, then... Monsieur Hagelslag, do you know I could get a copy of Judge Romulus's receipt? I can do you one better, monsieur. I have the original rights here. I keep them for tax purposes, you understand. Is it okay for us to take him, monsieur? Absolutely. Memorizing the receipt's contents is trivial after all. Chocolate receipt has been added to your evidence folder. Nice, we got a chocolate receipt. Would you look at this thing? Judge Romulus signed it in green ink. Green ink. I knew Judge Romulus was shady, but only true villainous people write it in green. Thank you very much, time for you, Monsieur Haggleslack. You have been enormously helpful. You know, he made a comment about green is that most villains and like, especially like Disney movies or something, it's green is always like associated with them for being evil. I think that was definitely like a case right there. Like that's something to look out for. I am glad to be of service. I wish you the best of luck with your case, messieurs. Nice. Okay. So we have one more day. So we need to go to... Why are we going back to my office? I'm feeling pretty confident about the case. The big picture is coming together nicely. We didn't manage to work out what Prince Holm was hiding, but that's okay. I'm sure everything will go smoothly at the trial. We've still got one day until the trial, but how to spend it? Suppose we could revisit the Louvre, or maybe we should play some cards at Le Canard Jouet. Something wrong, Sparrowson? You have been unusually quiet. Falcon, we need to talk. What's up? See, I was doing some thinking. Dangerous thing I'd do too, I know. Anyway, I realized that we were missing a crucial piece of evidence. What evidence would that be? Well, we know that Major Hulk consumed a piece of chocolate before he died. And we know that he died of poisoning. But we still aren't sure that the chocolate was the cause. That's true. If we keep pushing the chocolate theory, Cocorico will almost certainly bring that up. So I thought to myself, if one were to consume the wrapper itself, then made proof of whether it contains trace enough poison. Well, sure, that could work, but it would be incredibly foolish. What were you thinking of eating the wrapper, Sparrowson? Maybe. We'll stop those thoughts right now. I'm not going to let you potentially kill yourself like that. Woo! Oh my god. Oh shit, Sparrowson! Huh, I knew you would say that. That's why I already consumed the wrapper 45 minutes ago. Sparrowson! Sparrowson! Why would you do that, dude? Doctor, Sparrowson okay? Well, he's not conscious right now, but he is stable. I think it's safe to say that your friend is not on deathbed. Oh, thank God. How did you say this happened again? It's a long story. Lowering occupational hazard. Doctor, can you tell me what poison caused this? I have no idea. I'm an expert in mental health, not toxicology. But I have sent for a specialist who should be here by tomorrow morning. He will make a full assessment. That's good to hear. Thanks, doctor. Take good care of him. Wait a moment. There is a matter of the bill. We'll have to discuss it later. I have an important case to prepare for, and I'm one partner down. I see. Well, rest assured that your friend is in good hands. Did he just skip out on the bill like that? I mean, he has to come back from it sometime. This is terrible. What the hell was Sparrowson thinking? I can't win that case like this. You, I finally found you. Did someone say something? Running around like a headless chicken. You're one tricky lawyer to find. Told you to drop the investigation, but you just wouldn't listen. Who's speaking? I can't see you, monsieur. Step forward. All right, I'll step forward, but it'll be the last thing you'll ever see. Did I just die? Au revoir, GG Falcon. What just happened? What just happened? Where am I? Am I dead? No, that can't be right. This is nighttime. I'm just sleeping. If I focus and count to 3, I should be able to wake up. 1, 2. Did it work? Ah, Dame Cataline. Can't believe how easy you were to fool. I put on a cutesy voice, acted all innocent, and you ate the whole thing up. Silence. I shouldn't be surprised. There are no words that excuse the heinous act of putting an innocent man on death row. It wasn't my fault. Hey, where are you going? Out of my way, Severine. I am not talking to Dame Cataline. It wasn't my fault? Is that the excuse you make after all your failures? I'm not making excuses. Failure after failure after failure. No desire to improve yourself. You're a joke of a lawyer, Gégé. Don't call me Gégé. That's all you have to say. How pathetic. You don't even deserve to stand in your grandfather's chateau. My grandfather? I'll prove you wrong. I can do better. Oh, it's you, Sparrowson. Have you come to berate me too? What? No. I'm just here to tell you to wake up. Wake up, monsieur. Wake up. Hey, can you hear me? I said wake up. Oh, shit. Come on, monsieur, wake up. I said wake up. You're starting to worry me. Oh, thank goodness. I wasn't sure whether to find a doctor or a mortician. Ugh, my head. Where am I? The Pont des Arts, you know, by Louviers, in Paris, France. I just fished you out of the scene. Nearly broke my rod doing it. Wait, I know you. You're that disrespectful lawyer guy, Giro Falcon or something. What time is it? Actually, what day is it? You hit your head pretty hard, huh? It's the 21st of January and around 9 o'clock in the morning by my reckoning. 21st, 9 o'clock. Oh no, the trial! I should have been at the corner 10 minutes ago. Well, you're running late, but take it easy, monsieur. I'm sure they'll be understanding. Maybe if I sprint it. In your condition, that would be stupid. Take a seat, clear your head. I'll go get some dry clothes. No time. Wait, monsieur, at least take this before you go. What's this? So it's modern fountain pen. Bone handle. Gold nib. This is very fancy. Thanks, monsieur, but this isn't mine. Are you sure? You were holding it pretty tightly when I found you. Then it's supposed to has to be mine. Ooh, wait, a pen. Don't call me fisherman. It's 9 o'clock. I believe it's time for the roll call. If the defense is not present, such unprofessionalism. If there is no defense, then this trial cannot proceed any further. We must make a ruling based on evidence that has already been presented. Desire Prince Juan is guilty of murdering Major Howell and conspiring to the murder of the king. Your Honor, may I have a word? Fine, but make it quick. I'm a firm believer that a trial must be orderly and punctual. There is no room for wishy-washy dilly-dallying, but it seems somewhat rash to end a trial session the moment is due to start. Perhaps it would be prudent to wait 5 or 10 minutes in the case the defense is just a little tardy. Then the trial still has a chance to proceed and justice will be served. You are the prosecution, are you not? You have nothing to worry about. A guilty verdict is all but guaranteed. Your Honor, you appear confused. I'm not here to scare a guilty verdict. Of course you are. You're a prosecutor. By definition, you're to prosecute. No, my job description is to prosecute, but I am here in this courtroom to ensure that justice is served. An unfair and unbalanced trial is not the spirit of justice. That's very noble of you, but if defense is absent, then there is a little that can be done. I'll hear no more about this matter. I will now walk to the jury. The defense is present, Your Honor. You're too late, Falcon. Mon Dieu, Gégé, you look like a total mess. Did you take a morning swim in the Seine or something? Something like that. Your Honor, we are all present. We are only 3 minutes over schedule. Let's not needlessly dirty the pure name of justice. Rules are rules, prosecutor. Falcon clearly has no respect for legal procedure. Frankly, for turning up while looking like a drowned rat, I ought to hold him for contempt in court. Your Honor. But Your Honor, rules are rules. One more out of either you and I shall have you both disbarred. It's a pity. The King of France was most looking forward to standing behind the witness podium. The King of France? He is here? Oh, are we not doing the trial after all? That's a pity. Ugh, Your Majesty, what a surprise. Well, you see, it's my 7th time testifying against a would-be assassin. But it's the first time a trial where the case has ended before it even began. Well, the defense, he was late, and oh, bish bosh, France didn't become a great and dignified kingdom through rigorous punctuality. Let's go ahead with the trial. To be fun, I'll say the oath to get started. Swear to speak without hatred or without fear, to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Did I get it right? That was perfect, Your Majesty. Gégé, I trust you have no objections with the king testifying. No objections here. Go ahead with the trial. It's fine, just me. Surely you wouldn't stand in the way of the king, would you, Your Honor? Fine. Proceed with the ghost trial. Excellent. Now, Your Majesty, could you tell us your activities on the day of the murder? My activities? I just started my day with tea and toast, as I normally do. I was dressed in my PJs at the time. I think you skipped ahead a little, perhaps to your arrival at the Louviers. Ah, right, of course. Oh, my entourage and I entered through the Louviers south entrance around 9 o'clock. We passed through the Salle du Tibre with little fanfare. At the Grand Gallery, I unveiled the new painting and gave a short speech to inspire the citizens who attended. That's when I was approached by a man claiming to be the Prince of Spain. He presented a rose, which was taken by Major Howell, and well, I think you know the rest. Indeed, we do, Your Majesty, mesdames and messieurs of the court. What we have here is another testimony that establishes Prince Juan's guilt. And this is no ordinary testimony. It is a testimony of perhaps the most trustworthy man in all of France. Oh, you flatter me, prosecutor. But I am the trustworthiest in all the kingdom, aren't I? I have no doubt, Your Majesty. Nonetheless, I would like to perform a cross-examination. How dare you doubt your king, the utter nav? Oh, calm yourself, Judge. I have no qualms with the standard legal procedure. Defense, please proceed. I want to see your best cartoon drama material. Hell yeah. We get to question that king. He was at the Grand Gallery where he... that's fine. Through the Sale of Tibre. We passed through the Sale of Tibre. Little fanfare. Through Lavier's south entrance. I should have gone to the private investigator too, but I mean, it was still something that we should have done. We got more evidence, but I don't know if this is enough, to be quite honest. Grand Gallery. Now, Your Majesty, I would like to ask about your activities in the Grand Gallery. Please proceed. Aside from the Prince of Spain, did you see anyone out of the ordinary in the Grand Gallery? Why, monsieur, the Grand Gallery is always inhabited by artistes. Everyone is there out of the ordinary. Nonetheless, can you think of anyone who stood out? Is this question going somewhere, Gégé, or are you blindly stepping in the dark? It's a perfectly fine question. Please answer, Your Majesty. Who did you see? Well, I don't know. I saw dozens of paintbrush-wielding, mustache-tooting weirdos. I saw photographers and sculptors and sketchers and hipsters and just what you want me to say, monsieur. Look what you've done, Gégé. You stressed the poor king out. Badgering the king to absolutely disgraceful, disgusting behavior. Shit. Enough defense. You enter the courtroom completely late, dripping wet and stinking of fish. Then you waste my time and put the king's time with ridiculous things. And must agree, this whole affair does seem rather antic. I'm going home. Enough, both of you. We will now deliberate the facts before the case we reach a verdict. Please remain quietly seating during this time. Gégé, what happened? I've got to be honest, Severine. I have no idea. God damn it, what is going on? I don't know what to say. I really screwed up. Yes, you did, but thankfully you could have screwed up much worse. Tell me, do you know why I chose you as my defense lawyer, Senor Fakan? Because I'm a good lawyer? Because I'm a good lawyer? No, Senor Fakan, definitely not. I chose you to act as my attorney because I had faith in your character. And I stand by. You have a great character, but now I see that you are lacking in the hedge. But still, no matter. Your life is over. My life, hardly. Do you have the keys to those handcuffed, Mousy? Right here, Monsieur Vo, I mean... Prince Juan. Shoo, mouse, shoo, you're standing in my papers. Many thanks, Little One. Wait, where did that mouse come from? Did that fox just free himself? Someone arrest them both. Listen, Monsieur Fakan, you are spending so much time jousting your giants that you aren't seeing the windmills in front of you. Not at all, that's a pity. Come visit our RHM sometimes. Maybe I can explain it better there. Not another step, criminal scum. Looks like I have to run. Very well, Monsieur Fakan. We'll meet again soon, no doubt. Come back here. There's nothing more sickening than a guilty person who resists their verdict. Court is adjourned. The fox will be executed once we catch him. Well, Gégé, this was a complete mess of it from start to finish. Stop calling me Gégé. Do I deserve a ground of respect as a lawyer? This was definitely... I fucked up so many times in this part because like I pressed... There were days that I should have taken advantage of and I didn't, and I'm pissed. I like totally fucked up. Is this how you conduct yourself? No, you don't. Get your merde out of here together. I need to get my merde together. Objection! Sparrow-san! Where is everyone? Glad to see you're feeling better, Sparrow-san, but is it already over? Did we lose? Damn. Wait, well, you know, this is my first playthrough. We can continue. This is what happened. I don't want to go back on it. Of course, how could I forget? The chanting, the violence, the smell of gunpowder. The 3 glorious days. It can't be helped. I'll have to be a lot better at this. Oh, shit. Oh, someone's got a gun? Who are they shooting? What is happening? Is this the French? Oh, someone shot the barrel. The sleeping city. Oh, shit. I can't believe he's skipping work again. I swear if I find that bird brain at Le Canne, Joey. Ah, finally, good morning, Falcon. Mornings. No, wait, it's 2 in the afternoon. That means the official greeting is, where the hell have you been, lazy bones? Ugh, it's far too early for this level of roasting past the Cabernet Sauvignon. No way, we've got some important business to discuss, and I can't do that if you're half drunk. Mon Dieu, give me a break. I haven't had a good night's sleep since the trial. Something on your mind? Actually, yes. It was what the wolf judge said about our revolution. Sure, that guy gave us his rocker. Besides, if we are worried about every potential French revolution, we would never get any work done, am I right? I mean, you're right. Maybe you're right. Worrying doesn't do us any goods. But that is all the time I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I highly appreciate your company. But I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye-bye.